Hey everybody, and good morning, and welcome to Papa Knows Stuff. I got something in here, and I had just shown you that plug. But what I bought here is some grommets, and I can't open it because it's sealed. No, can I open it? I can. What I bought here is some grommets. There's 6 pieces in here. They're rubber grommets. And what this is for is I have a little pool box outside that I keep my cleaning robot in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a 1-inch hole in that box, and I'm going to put this grommet in there. Check it out. Check it out good. All right. And that 1-inch grommet will fit right here nice and tight, and I'll pass my power cord right through here, and that'll work for me really well. I hope it's the right size. I'm starting to wonder now. I'm starting to wonder if my plug will fit through there. But I'll have to find that out, I guess, right? I'm going to have to measure this. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this as a product. This is the label on it if you want to take a look. It's rubber grommets. I don't see how much you can complain about something like this. It either works or it isn't. These happen to be a 1-inch opening, so we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.